Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm just a casual sim racer, and today I got something new for you all. I'll be unboxing the Oculus Quest 2 by Facebook. This is the first unboxing video that have done on this channel. I'll be doing this unboxing as well as a review video later on once I've gotten used to it. This is my first virtual reality headset, so there will be a bit of a getting familiar with it period, and so I want to give it plenty of time before I give a review. So maybe in 1 or 2 weeks, look out for that video to be coming out on my channel. But for now, let's dive in. I'm pretty excited. It's going to be a lot of fun, something new that might pop up beyond just these 2 videos on my channel. So let's get into it. So overall, I'm very impressed with the packaging. It's clean, nice. Simple gray box, Oculus logo on the front. So as you can see, there are controllers, 2 controllers, 1 for each hand, and the headset here in the middle. Let's go ahead and remove the first controller. Second controller. And now the headset. There's an additional glasses spacer, which I'll be using the glasses spacer as you can see I'm wearing glasses. So that'll be a useful feature for me. Rest of the box, you can see now I've emptied it. Move this out of the way. Don't think we'll be needing this knife either. I'll also move the glasses spacer. You've seen this. Just gives a little more room for glasses. So let's first look at these controls. This is for the left hand. It looks like you'd hold it like this. There we go. Like I've said, I've never used these before. So trigger, different. It's not a click at all. It's more of a thud. If that makes sense. You're more of it's a softness, soft resistance. It's a very gentle, soft resistance. Trigger is, the thumb is smaller, so the thumb joystick is much smaller than you'd get on a normal controller. Like this, like a normal controller, just for size comparison. Normal controller joystick is going to be much bigger than the joystick under here. Just something interesting. Though the buttons, the 2 buttons are the same. Triggers definitely, though, the buttons feel normal, maybe a little loud, but these are just kind of a soft resistance. Very interesting feel. So that's the one controller. Here's the other controller. I've not unboxed these, so this is my first time, of course, as I undid the sealing. There's an additional Oculus button here. Interesting little And here's the triggers. And then there's the regular buttons. So the Oculus button, regular buttons, triggers, interesting. So that's the controller. And now for the headset. Some instructions here. The lenses are covered with some protective tape. That's good. Look forward to trying this out later. Otherwise, you can see the sensors, the 4 sensors on the outside. There's a plus minus control button here. Figure out what that does later. Straps seem quite sturdy, actually. There's a good feel to them. So I'd say this is quite a yeah. Now this doesn't feel bad at all. This feels quite nice. It's for me it's not heavy, but I mean I work out a lot and never worn a VR headset either, so I mean I have nothing to compare it against, but it seems reasonable. I like the color white, looks nice. Alrighty, moving on. Inside packaging, of course, looks nice. They got some simple directions. Here's another box on the inside. This is the type of case that I will readily be storing this in. This looks fabulous to store these in. But let's open this up. This way. Looks like we have our instruction guides and manuals. Warranty information. We got a cable here. Type C to Type C. Brick. Box. There, nothing exceptional. I don't think the rest of this comes out. I don't know if there's anything else in the box. I don't think that comes out. So, alrighty. We have our Oculus Quest unboxed here, and I'm going to get more comfortable with it, and a review video will be coming out in a little while. Looks pretty cool. I'm pleased with the packaging, and I hopefully will be pleased with the product. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.